Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite people to a workspace on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you get started with ClickUp and you're looking to invite your team so you guys can collaborate together. How do you actually go ahead and invite someone to your workspace on ClickUp? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, the first thing that you can do is log on to ClickUp. Then on the bottom left-hand side, you can click on Invite. And then this is where you can invite someone via email or if they're a member. And with that, you can actually give them permission access via member, guest, limited member, or admin. So that's one way to invite someone to your workspace. The other way to do it is that if you click on the right-hand side, your profile icon name, then click on settings. And then on this page here, you can click on people. You can also invite people on this page here as well. So this is going to be a good way to get an overview of already who's been invited to your workspace. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite people to your workspace on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.